Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, children, yesterday we have discussed about the loss of biodiversity. Today we are going to discuss about the causes of biodiversity loss. We know there are four types of the major causes of the biodiversity loss. The accelerated rates of the species extinctions that the world is facing now are largely due to the human activities, and there are four types. They are represented by the Abel quadrant. The first is the major cause of the biodiversity loss is the habitat loss and the fragmentation. The second cause is coexistence. The third is alien species invasion, and the fourth is overexploitation. So today we are going to discuss about the two types of causes of biodiversity loss. First is habitat loss and fragmentation, and the second is coexistence. First cause of the biodiversity loss is the habitat loss and the fragmentation. This is the most important cause driving the animals and the plants to extinction, and the most dramatic example of the habitat loss come from the tropical rainforest, because due to the loss from 14% to the 6% of the earth's land surface. So the thousands of the hectare of the rainforest are being lost within hours. Children, you can see in this diagram the diagram of the forestation of the Amazon or the fragmentation of the habitat. The first is the Amazon rainforest, because we know the Amazon rainforest is so huge that it is called the lungs of the planet, and probably the millions of the species is being cut and they cleared for the cultivating the soya beans or for the conversion of the grassland for raising the beef cattle. So the second diagram of the fragmentation of the habitats. The fragmentation badly affects the animals acquiring the large territories and the migratory animals, leading to the population declines. The next major cause of the biodiversity loss is the overexploitation. Humans have always depended on the nature for the food and the shelter, but when need turns to greed, it leads to overexploitation of the natural resources. Many species extinctions in the last 500 years, for example, Steelard sea cow, passenger pigeons, etc., extinct due to overexploitation by human activities. Presently, there are many marine fishes. There are population of the fish around the world are over harvested and the endangering the continued extinction of some commercially important species. So hope children this topic is clear. If any query, you can write in query box. So children, today's your homework is to revise this topic and write down notes from the PDF given earlier in the classes. So thank you children.